me. Okay?
Okay. Hey, Todd.
Oh, look at that black cloud. Look.
Oh, big black cloud?
Up there.
Ready?
What's your name, little boy?
I don't mean that.
What's your name? Todd what?
Todd Weissman.
Yeah, where do you live?
Hi, Tom.
Where?
Here.
Here? What's the name of this street?
Kung Fu Jive.
Yeah, what's the number of your house?
You stand in proper
I don't
over
want to
here.
tell.
You don't want to tell? Why not?
I don't want to.
That wasn't by a mile.
Woo!
Todd,
What?
I think you're cool, huh?
Yeah, I think I'll.
Todd.
What?
Why don't you take your hat and your sunglasses off? Let me see who you really are. It's Todd!
Oh, no.
Todd.
Ready? I'll do my slow ball.
Who?
Come on, man.
Oh, Todd!